So now imagine the next formula, the important most for this year, okay, for the first year especially. We will look into this formula, that is cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 times of cos of x plus y divided by 2 cos of x minus y divided by 2. So this is the formula we need to know. So for that, usually let us think it in a different way. The textbook they have given x and y and all that. So I would like to derive it in a different way. That is something like this, okay? Cos C and cos D. Okay? And not you can take it as A and B also, but I would like to take it as C and D. I'll tell you why I am taking as C and D, because later you should not have problem with the A, B signs whenever it coming in the equation. Suppose if take it as cos A plus B here, this A and B should not be matching and you will not get confused. Now right now I am taking it as C and D, you won't get confused with whatever is given in the question. So that's the reason I will take a different term for this one rather than A, B and X, Y. Clear? So little helpful it might be, I am thinking, so let's see whether it is helpful for you or not. I'll just change the notations instead of that. So C minus D, right? Yeah? So I'm making use of the C, D, etc. and all that, and we're getting into this part. So here, let us take the two formulas which we have already derived. One is cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y is minus sin x sin y. Cos x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Okay, these two formulas, I will add them. Okay, I will add them. What will I get? This plus this will be the other side. Yeah, and here you can see that when I add, the signs which are different things over here will cancel out. Only thing remaining is 2 times of cos x cos y. Yes or no? Correct? Now, let me take this equation as star. This is the star equation. So let me keep it in my mind and substitute. Let me substitute x plus y is equal to c. Okay? In that equation itself, and x minus y is equal to d. My own substitution. You can take it basically since I am getting in the formula there. So I am taking the same letter using over here. So let me take that as so much, and I will add these two equations or subtract these two equations to find the value of c and d. Okay, I will add them out right now. Y and y cancels. 2x is equal to c plus d. I get x is equal to c plus d divided by 2. You are slowly understanding what I am trying to get it, correct? No? So next one, if you subtract these two equations, I should take 3 and 4 I think, because they are already this are taken. So 3 minus 4 is 5. I will end up cancelling x and will get minus 2y is equal to c minus d. Sorry, I made a mistake. 2y minus plus it will become 2y. 2y is equal to c minus dy. Okay, clear? Now these two x and y, I can just substitute in this particular position, that is x plus y what it is, I have substituted as, substitute these values in stars. X plus y is what? X plus y is my assumption as cos of c and plus cos of d, since x minus y is d, is my assumption. 2 of cos x is what? C plus d by 2. Cos y is c minus d by 2. Okay, this is how I derive this. Understood? So this is simple like this. Now, what if I subtracted these two equations? These two equations, that is 1 and 2 equation, if I subtract, I will get the second formula, that is cos c minus cos d. Now in case of your textbook, it is cos x minus cos y is equal to cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus sin x plus y by 2 and cos x minus y by 2. Right? No? So that formula, second formula you get. Now, what to do for this next two formulas, the third formula and the fourth formula? Take the other two formulas which you have studied of sin x plus y and sin x minus y. So those two formulas you add and subtract, you will end up getting the third formula and the fourth formula. Okay? Write on your own. Let me know if you didn't get it. I'll solve it for you. Okay? Go ahead.